In this video, we will see how you can take input from the user in the command line. So for that, there is an inbuilt function in Python, that is input function. We will see how you can make use of that. Okay, so let me just create a variable name first here. Let's say name is equal to, and then I write the input function, and then within the parenthesis of the input function, I write enter your name. Okay, I write this, and then I am printing the variable name. So see, the name variable has no value defined. Okay, I have not defined any value, but instead of defining the value here, I am writing the input function, and then within the parenthesis as an argument, I have passed a string enter your name, and then colon sign, and then a space. Okay, now I will run this program. You see, it says enter your name, and now I am writing my name here, Gurmeet Singh, and then I'm pressing the enter key. So you see, it prints my name. So what it does, it takes my name when I typed it and pressed enter, and stores it into the variable name. Okay, now I can perform anything, any operation on it or whatever. So let me just do here like f string, like your name is name, and there are and the length of your name is, let me make use of alien function to write the string length here, name. Okay, and then a full stop. Okay, now let me run this one. My name is Gurmeet Singh. You say your name is Gurmeet Singh and the length of your name is 13. So this way you can take input from the user and can perform any operations. Just remember that the type of the input is always string. Okay, so let me just show you what I'm saying. So here let me just print the type of name. Okay, and let me just type Gurmeet Singh. So you see, it belongs to class str. Even if you type a number, it will belong to class str. Okay, so if I type a number, let's say 100 here, it will type str. So let's say if you are creating a small Python program to just sum up two numbers, let's say num1, enter first number, and then I'm writing another input statement to just get this second number. Okay, num2. So what it does, it will first ask the user to enter first number, then wait till the user enters the input, and then move on to the next line. Okay, and now what I'm doing here is I am printing num1 plus num2. Now see, I entered the first number as, let's say 10, and then I enter the second number as 20. So you see, it gives the output 10, 20. Why? Because num1 and num2 are stored as strings. Okay, and we know that in case of strings, this plus symbol is used to concatenate the string. So this is what's happening here. It's concatenating 10 and 20 as strings. Okay, so if you want to perform some operation, then you have to explicitly convert these numbers into numerical values using such as using int function. Okay, so I'm writing num1 is equal to int of num1, and similarly num2 equals to integer of num2. Okay, so now I'll run this one, and now if I enter 10 and 20, you see it gives 30. So that's all about this video.